Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial. So as I've said in my previous video, atong istoryahan karon is atong i-lecture karon is unsaon kung si user is mag-input siya or i-prompt nato si user. So we're going to prompt the user to input any data type, whether it is a string or a value, to the screen. Okay, so very simple. So I already opened my previous workspace right here. So first is we're going to create our main function. Okay, so create our main function, fun main. Okay, very simple, and then pass few parameters right here. Okay, simple enough, and then this one. Okay, so first is ato siyang i-notify si user nga ma-input or ma-enter a value. So we're going to use the print statement, print function, print method. Okay, so print and then sample, please enter your full name. Full name. Okay, so what we are doing right now here is we're prompting the user to input his or her full name. Okay, and then we're going to assign the value so that kung unsa may input ni user is i-catch niya and then i-store niya dito na variable. So we're going to create a variable right here, which is I will name my variable as name. Okay, name, and then again you can specify a string right here. Okay, string, and then we're going to use another function to catch the katong ingon ganina, to catch kung unsa may input ni user. Okay, so we're going to use this one, the readline function. So this means that we are prompting the user to input his or her full name, and then whatever the user is inputted in that certain box or prompt is going to read kani nga function is mo siya mo read line siya. I mean ibasahon to niya kung unsa tong value ang gi-input sa user, and then i-store niya dito sa name nga variable, which is ang ngalan is name. Okay, so very clear. I hope that's clear for you. Okay, and then we're going to print it. So name, then run. Okay, just wait to successfully build. Okay, for example, GMB. So this time we're not assigning the value of the string. So we're letting the user to input a value. Okay, so ato ganina is lahi man to ganina, which is atong gibuhat kanina. Sa nang comment, which is atong gibuhat kaniha sa sa previous video na to is na-create a variable na name, and then ato siyang gi-assignan directly sa value. Okay, and then ato siyang gi-print. So this time is we're letting the user input his or her value nga unsa atong ipa-prompt sa iya. Okay, so mo na atong gi-discuss karon. Okay, so another example. For example, we're going to print another line. Please enter your age. Excuse me. And then, pwede na may semicolon again. And then we're going to create a variable age, and then specify the data type, which is integer. And then we're going to use the function readline, okay, to catch the value whatever the user is being entered. Okay, so as you can see, we'll comment this one first. Okay, so that we can focus on this lecture. So as you can see, gives an error right here. So it says that type mismatch required int int question mark man siya. So required int found string. Okay? So this means that ang atong code right here is error. Nga naman, why? Oh, why? It's because kaning function nga readline is only for string values only. So atong gibat diri is data type na to is integer, since integer man natong gusto nga ipa notify sa user and then ipa enter sa iya. So dili siya pwede mag mismatch siya kay again kaning function is for string only. Okay? So what we're going to do right now is we're gonna convert this right here using another function, another method. So ato siyang i-convert kaning string function kaning readline into the integer data type which is we're going to assign. Okay? So very simple that and then to int. Okay, use this one to int. So as you can see, wala na siya nag-error. So it gives no errors. So wala na ni-prompt din another error. And then we can successfully print this one and then run. Okay, just wait for okay. So please enter your age. So I'm going to enter my age 20, 2013, 23, sorry. And then it gives the output of 23. So balik ta, explain. So what we're doing right now, right here, right here, grab it. So what we're doing right now is we're printing this message right here, which is please enter your age, and then we're assigning or we're creating a variable named age, and then we're kung unsa may gi-input ni user is i-catch niya diri nga function and then iyang i-convert since string man iyang pangiuna ni iyang i-convert which is gamit ag another function or method nga convert niya nga na string into an integer type. Okay? Which is after na ma-convert into integer and then iyang i-save diri nga variable sa age nga imong gi-create. And then this one is only printing whatever the value or whatever the value of the user inputted. Okay? Excuse me, very simple. Okay, so ato ni kuan. Ato na ni excuse me po. Print line. Okay, so code. Okay, just wait for it. So GMB. So age is 23. Yes, it inputted right here. Okay. So I think that's all for this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.